To fit a Supertrim neoprene seat cover, you first of all need to remove the headrest from the seat. You then place the backrest portion of the seat cover over the seat, lining up the eyelets with the headrest holes. You then place the pocket with the tubing in it in position at the joint in the seat and push it through to the back of the seat. This secures the cover so that it will not move around. After you've achieved a satisfactory positioning, you then place the cushion cover over this cushion of the seat and place the border panels in position, tucking them into any plastic trims that might be on the seat. It's a very straightforward exercise and shouldn't take more than a couple of minutes. After that, you can turn the headrest cover inside out and roll it onto the headrest and replace the headrest cover. Replace the headrest. As you can see in the pictures, there is provision for airbags to operate, and all levers and other features of the seat are accessible. It's a simple operation. The seat cover will not move around once it's placed on the seat, as the rubber grips the back of the seat. And that's all there is to it.